Welcome to the Duck Creek online training video. We are innovating the future with technology. Duck Creek Technologies is a leading provider of cloud-based software for the property and casualty, or P&C, insurance industry. The company helps insurers modernize core systems with flexible, scalable, and configurable platforms. The Duck Creek market overview highlights its core products, cloud platform, global presence, and key benefits. It is a global provider of cloud-based core systems, helping insurers modernize legacy systems. Key features of Duck Creek include end-to-end insurance lifecycle management with policy, billing, and claims modules. It is a highly configurable, flexible, and cloud-based SaaS solution hosted on Amazon Web Services. Benefits of Duck Creek include faster product launches and time to market. It also helps with improved operational efficiency and reduced dependency on legacy systems. Challenges in Duck Creek implementation include high competition and complex implementation. Organizations must also address customer trust and integration challenges. Strategies for success include investing in proper training and building strong insurance domain knowledge. A phased implementation approach and a skilled, balanced team are also critical. Future trends for Duck Creek include cloud-native expansion for faster scalability. Another significant trend is integrating AI and machine learning for predictive analytics, automated underwriting, and fraud detection. In conclusion, Duck Creek is a powerful insurance technology platform. It enables insurers to modernize systems, improve efficiency, and deliver better customer experiences with its flexible, cloud-ready architecture. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please visit our website or contact us using the details on the screen.